Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the right side cover, loosen the screw and unlatch the left side cover. Slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the right side cover and remove it from the system. To reinstall the right side cover, place it back on the system. Place the side cover back on the system and relatch it. Tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.